Struggling to decide whether Taptap Send or Remitly is the best way to send money back home? Let's break it down. First, transfer fees. Taptap Send often boasts zero transfer fees to many countries, while Remitly's fees vary depending on the amount, delivery speed, and recipient country. Always check the fee upfront for your specific transaction on both apps. Next, exchange rates. This is where the real cost lies. Both apps update their rates constantly to compare effectively. Input the exact amount you want to send in both apps and see how much the recipient will receive in the local currency. The higher amount received, the better the rate. Now let's talk about sending limits. Taptap Send usually has lower daily limits compared to Remitly. Remitly often offers higher limits, especially with increased verification levels. Consider your transfer amount and choose the platform that accommodates it. Delivery options are key. Remitly typically provides more diverse options like bank deposits, mobile money transfers, and cash pickup locations. Taptap Send primarily focuses on bank transfers and mobile money in select regions, so ensure your desired method is supported. Country coverage matters. Remitly generally supports a wider range of countries globally. Taptap Send focuses on specific corridors, mainly to Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Confirm that both platforms support sending to and receiving from your desired locations. Lastly, customer service. Research reviews and see how quickly both companies respond to inquiries. Efficient customer service can be crucial. If you encounter any issues with your transfer, by comparing these factors, you can pick the best app for sending money to your loved ones.